Hey everybody, this is Lori with Enchanting Escapes, and I am in probably one of the most magnificent rooms at Sandals Royal Bahamian. This is East Bay Beachfront Swim Out Suite. There's only 6 of these. Can you imagine waking up to this view every day? Absolutely stunning. Again, I'm in the East Bay Swim Out Suite at Sandals Royal Bahamian, right in Nassau, 15-20 minutes from the airport. And this room is absolutely stunning. It's butler category, so no matter what you wish, your butler will take it happen. You don't have to do a thing. Is this beautiful? Think about this, not only for an anniversary or a honeymoon, but what about a baby moon? Hey guys, what about an amazing way to do a proposal? Did you know that Sandals has amazing proposal packages? Can you imagine? This would be magnificent. How about filling it with candlelight? Your butler will help you create one of the most amazing proposals that cannot be topped. Again, I'm at Sandals Royal Bahamian. I'm in Nassau. This is East Bay Beachfront Swim Out Suite. There's only 6 of these. And with this category, you also get use of a Mini Cooper in the afternoon for an afternoon, and you also get credit to go dine out on some of the restaurants down in Nassau, and Sandals will take care of it for you. They bring you to the restaurant, they bring you back. It's just an incredible experience to immerse yourself more into the Bahamian culture. Again, Lori with Enchanting Escapes. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm available by message, text, email, you name it. I'm here to help. Take care and thank you.